Included in services contracts, Schneider Electric provides predictive maintenance of your electrical installations. In doing so, we perform periodic diagnostics on site to predict failures and thereby guarantee optimal continuity of service. Our diagnostic services are supported by our team's high level of expertise, manufacturers' tools developed and continually updated based on field experience. Let's look specifically at the ProDiag fuse diagnostic tool. ProDiag fuse diagnostics are performed on de-energized equipment. They are used to verify the internal characteristics of high-voltage fuses. In order to avoid thermal runaway or failure due to an overload or an already partially damaged fuse, ProDiag fuse will help to prevent devastating effects on people and equipment. This thermal runaway happens for several different reasons. We will look at two examples. Example 1, an underrated fuse for the transformer power. That's to say, for 400 kilovolt ampere - 10 kilovolt, you should choose a 43 amp rated fuse. It is strongly recommended that you do not use a fuse of a different caliber. Example 2, handling the fuse incorrectly while installing or replacing it. If you hold it in the middle rather than at both ends, it is possible to twist the fuse while installing it. This incorrect handling can cause a fuse filament to break, and the current then transfers to the other filaments within the fuse. The fuse will then start to overheat, and this will build up over time. The extinguishing sand then starts to vitrify. When the electric arc occurs, the sand can no longer absorb the energy transmitted, and the fuse explodes. ProDiag fuse has a micro-ohm meter to help you control the cold resistance of your fuse. The fuses are precisely identified and inspected. The resistance values of each fuse are entered in the software in order to be compared with the manufacturer's data. The results of the diagnosis are then reported to the client on site. A detailed report with comments is then sent to the client, specifying the clearly identified recommendations. Our teams have recognized expertise in diagnostics on electrical distribution equipment and the related technologies. Our services experts are backed by processes and tools developed by Schneider Electric. They are periodically trained to update their skills. We strongly believe we are in a position to provide you with customized services to maximize your performance and optimize your costs on your initial investment and over the life cycle of your processes. Contact us to talk about your services needs.